Okay, hello students. Now we'll move to our main topic, that is how to create a project in a Flash. Okay, now in the last video, all of you saw the introduction of the Flash CS6, CS3. Now we will see how to perform here on this blank page. See, first this is your simple topic, drawing modes in the Flash. Okay, see, there are two drawing mode, merge drawing mode and object drawing mode. Okay, see, on page number 133 in your textbook, page number 133, figure number 8.8, merge drawing mode is given. Okay, see student, merge means what? If you are going to merge two things together, okay, that is called a merge. Okay, judana. Okay, that do you mean, what do you mean by merge is judana, means jodna. Don't two things you have to put together. Okay, that is your merge. Now see here, I am drawing one rectangle. See, this is oval tool. So how to select rectangle from the tools? Just click and hold the key. Click and hold your mouse left key, so you will able to draw the another tool. See, okay, I am selecting rectangle and see what is the color, red color. I am drawing a rectangle over here. See, first of all, first you need to check over here the drawing mode. See, both drawing modes are selected. First I need to draw the merge drawing mode. Okay, so I am unselect this object drawing mode and merge. See, what is this? This is called a magnet. Okay, magnet किसके लिए यूज करते हैं हम लोग? चिपकाने के लिए. ओके, कुछ भी अगर पिन रहेगी, ओके, और दो मैग्नेट रहेंगे तो क्या होंगे, एक दूसरे को चिपकेंगे. ओके, so that is called your merge drawing mode. Means what? I am drawing now two different shapes over here, and that two different shapes will be merged together in this Flash. Okay, so I am drawing here one rectangle. See, this is a rectangle I draw. Okay, now already selected this merge drawing mode. Okay, now you need to select another shape. Just click and hold the key, so you will able to see here options. I am selecting the oval now and I am changing the color. Okay, why I am changing the color? Because you can able to see the merging. Okay, after selecting oval, you can draw here oval on this rectangle. See, इसके ऊपर हाफ जाएगा, ऐसा तुम लोग को ये ड्रॉ करना है. Okay, after that you need to select the selection tool. See, this is the black arrow. Black arrow is called a selection tool. Just click on this and move this oval from here. I am moving this oval from here. What is happening? See, rectangle यहाँ से cut हुआ. Understood? This is called your merge. Means two shapes merge हो गए. Okay, दो shape एक दूसरे में merge हो गए. That is called your merge drawing tool. Understood? Now next is your object drawing tool. Now I am selecting the another file. See, go to file and select a new project, new Flash file, and click on OK button. Okay, see, new Flash file will be there. This is your first object, this is your merge drawing mode, and this is your object drawing mode. Now I am drawing here object drawing mode. Now again I am selecting rectangle. Okay, see, after selecting rectangle, what is this? Snap to object. So I am drawing here. I am selecting now object drawing mode. Okay, I don't want to merge now. Okay, I want to object it. So I am drawing one rectangle over here. Okay, now I am selecting oval and I am changing the color. to yellow, and I am drawing oval on this rectangle. Okay, now go to selection tool, take the arrow and move this rectangle. What is happening? ये कट हुआ, मर्ज हुआ? नहीं हुआ. What is this? Object drawing mode. Understood the difference between this? This is merge drawing mode and this is the object drawing mode. Understood? See, it is very interesting and very easy. Okay, see, all the theory part will be given in your textbook. Okay, so you will be able to understand this all textbook, all the things from your textbook. Now students, if you want to save this file in your desktop or a laptop, then go to file and click on the save button, or Control S is your shortcut key. Okay, click on the save button and give the file name here. Okay, give file name and click on save. Okay, if you want to open that saved file, then what you have to do, click on the open and select your saved file and open your file. Okay, understood how to save and open the existing file here? Okay, likewise you can able to do this. See, now today which tools we learned? Selection tool, then these two tools. Okay, shape, rectangles and oval, these two shapes we used here. Okay, then merge drawing mode and object drawing mode we'll use. Okay, understood? Now next topic, this is your end of your chapter number 8. Okay, now next chapter number 9 we will start in our next video. Okay, now I will upload your assignment, students, so please solve your assignments properly. I am going to give you marks for that assignment. Okay, so इसके लिए मैं बोल रही हूँ बार बार कि असाइनमेंट सॉल्व करो. आप लोग अगर असाइनमेंट सॉल्व करोगे तो आपको अच्छे मार्क्स भी मिलेंगे, सेमिस्टर में आप अच्छा काउंट भी कर सकते हो. अंडरस्टूड स्टूडेंट्स? ऑल द बेस्ट. ओके, देन थैंक यू सो मच स्टूडेंट. बाय बाय.